Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the font style on your Samsung Galaxy A27. First, open up the settings. Here in the settings, what you guys want to do is go over and we are on the main page. Now we're gonna click on display and here we want to go to font size and style. Now once we click it, we can go and select the font style. We can use the Samsung one, for example. We can also change it to Gothic Bold. We can change it to Roboto. And of course we can click on download fonts. Now here we have a lot of other options. So for example, if you want to use let's say we're going to use something from the top like Cool Jazz. So this was one of my favorites when I was a child. I would simply use it all the time and it looked like this. You can also make it bold and of course make it a bit bigger. So that's how you guys can do it. Now the font is back to normal, but it looks like this. So it looks pretty okay. Now if you want to revert those changes and you want to go back, you can just disable the font. We're gonna go to default and everything else back to what it was. So that's how you guys can change the font style on your Samsung Galaxy. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.